You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very useful word in Spanish. It's very commonly used. If you want to learn more vocabulary, learn more Spanish, and get better knowledge of Spanish, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. It's pronounced tan. Tan is how it is pronounced. It's usually used in combination with the word como, tan. For example, tan caro que, or tan caro como. Tan is how you pronounce it. Tan, meaning as much as. Tan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.